Hi everyone, welcome to SEOSpace. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our keyword volume feature that you'll be able to see on our plugin after you've scanned a page with a keyword. Now, keyword volume essentially stands for how many people search for a specific keyword per month. So I'm currently in the process of improving this homepage. I've scanned it for Squarespace SEO plugin, and the SEOSpace plugin is telling me that 480 people per month search for the keyword that I've entered. So this is actually a really helpful feature because it gives you an indication of whether there's demand for the keyword that you've actually searched for. Because you want to make sure that you don't optimize your page for a keyword that no one's actually searching. Of course, this is just something that you get from our actual plugin. If you want to do more keyword research and find keywords that your target customers are searching, as well as also access all of our tutorials, then you actually want to head over to our keyword research functionality where we've got a ton of different features. This, of course, is just something that gives you a bit of a guide from our extension that can help you as you're improving the SEO for a web page. So there you are, guys. Of course, if you've got any other questions about keyword research, feel free to head over to support. We also have a really good video here about keywords, how to find them and what the different data means. But you can also leave a comment below this video and we'll be more than happy to help. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.